ladies and gentlemen.
You up?
Yeah, slept in a little
Right.
too late.
Hey, it's time.
It's harvest time.
Let's go. What's up, guys? Very good morning. It's time. Harvest day. We are harvesting corn. Is that right, Jack?
Yep.
Harvesting corn?
For right now,
corn.
for corn harvest, we only have R3 Parker wagons. For beans, I got a buddy of mine, he's got 2 Kilrose wagons.
Yep. Yeah, the wagons are back here. This is what we're running today. Is Parker wagon. It's not gonna run this up for separate something else, but we're running these two. And you said we're running what on those? What tractor?
Well, I was gonna run the 806 on one of them, and then probably the 560 on the other, on the one wagon.
Yeah. Yep. And yeah, you guys saw last video, the 806 got hauled in because that fuel pump breakdown. We got it back, and then we got to do back rim because the old ones were cracked and broken, and that would severely damage the tractor. So we went and bought new one while it was there. And yeah, now it's all good to go again. Back on the farm. Yeah, we're gonna run this one. Jackson, we're running
yeah.
I thought we were gonna do
So the lights on this, well, I mean we could.
Well, 14 on 2 and then 6 on that part.
So yeah, all that's wrong with this thing is that the lights burnt out last week, and the parts haven't came in quite yet.
Yep.
So
that one doesn't have light.
We're just gonna let everything warm up. It's not gonna be till 8:39 before we even start harvesting. I doubt we're gonna have this thing fired up. However, we have a new tractor on the farm. I know, a bunch of new stuff lately. However, this 886, this is a brand new tractor, the 886 four-wheel drive. It's got a front loader, and we got a baler. So, I'll fire up the M here. Just make sure it's...
Baler, you took out the one side and down to the gas, and it does very well. I like it. So yeah, that's the connection to the around here. So not much. Alright, well, let's get this tractor hooked to the parking lot.
I'm gonna get this thing hooked up to the auger here.
Yeah, you got it on the auger there. Okay, get the whole bit. Just some barn here, so I got still Alright, look at that green setup.
I'm gonna get this thing out.
Alright, you know, stick. Pick up to the other wagon here.
Have we decided who's combining?
You need to want to combine? I really don't.
I mean, I can do this first field here.
If you want to do that one, and then I can do another one. Okay, so yeah, guys, we have this field, the home farm. Then we have a field just up the road, that are both corn. So, the probably, yeah, so
And
you harvest one home here, and then I just harvest the one west.
The next video, bean harvest here.
Yep. Next video, bean harvest. So
there'll be a lot of harvesting.
And next field, right over our field. So,
And then I think grass is also, or alfalfa is pretty much good. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in a minute when we start harvesting.
yep. So I'm gonna be running away. Next, we can run the combine.
Yep. Just got her fired back up.
March 2020. Here you go, guys. First cut. March 2022. Send your money. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice. Beautiful. Just like we just marked the arrow.
He's gonna fall pretty quick.
That is dusty corn. Right. Oh man, that's dusty corn. Oh man.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Wait till beans, it's gonna be super dusty.
That means about quarter.
It's even dusty up in the cab here. We're only going 4. Just a minute. I'm not quite going up. Keep going. I'm doing 4. Start rolling.
Can't do it.
Sure. Set it to 4 and that's just go in a straight line. I can adjust a little bit. Good. Oh yeah, the auger's pretty big actually. Probably could throw a bigger header on here. This corn's yielding pretty good. Just a little bit. This corn is yielding pretty darn good. We're getting a bit close. Corn is pretty darn tall. You might want to turn around and go back to the end. What? Yeah. Yeah, I'm good.
I got it. Get back here.
Guys, I'll talk to you once we empty again. Get closer to the finishing field. It's going to take quite a while. And this is the smaller field. So, see you guys in a minute.
We can run our way. Jackson, how are you doing?
I'm trying to get him to evenly fill up the wagon here.
not the college. Yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Rock all that. That's
He's pretty much empty, I think.
oh yeah. That's cool.
Alright, so we're gonna finish this field up. I'm gonna show you guys emptying the auger. Or emptying out. I'm gonna see if he's gonna take the next dump. I'll take one after, and that'll be that.
That's right. So one grab right now, mine, then I'll be able to that. Yeah, at least almost one. So one of them up.
Evan, I'll unload on the go, but I'm gonna be full, most likely. So you're gonna have to follow up behind me and catch him before we get to the end.
Okay. Long as you follow them, make sure you're doing alright. I follow them, make sure you're doing good, you know?
Yep.
I think that's like, making factors.
Yeah. EVs would be nice to have. Wonder how good we're yielding.
Yeah.
Well, we gotta. What?
You don't know, so I'll break off and just talk to a little bit.
Yeah, you're gonna want to turn around and get ready for when I'm going up alongside, because we're gonna have a full load here when he's gonna hop alongside him. I'm at 73. I got 236 bushels in here.
Yeah, I got that. Just gonna look for, give me a shoot now. This is good.
This thing's got a little bit of a touchy clutch, which is fun sometimes, to say the least.
We'll figure that out.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, we're doing pretty good. We're come down. What? Down there?
Yeah, pretty much. I'd say get up here pretty quick. I'm filling up.
Yep.
So he thinks it's full. Let me go dump.
Jimmy?
We're probably gonna fill up that front trailer.
We're trying to see if I can get my back on the
Get the M fired up. Should be back out by the time he needs the empty. This thing's, yeah, this thing's screaming. He's got a heavy load.
I'm gonna come unload this first light real quick. It should pop full anyway, so might as well. I'll be almost there in a check.
Yeah?
I mean, I'm coming to unload my first light because it's just about full, so might as well eat it right away. This way we can look for our viewers or our audience as well.
I mean, it's working.
Yeah, and loading some questions in there.
It's loading into the, yeah. Got about yeah. I think it's working so well that I'm empty. You want to hop in the 806, move her off to the side.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Should be able to dump it out.
Up there.
Well, hopefully we can get some more wagons in the next one. I think this will be it for today. We're going to finish up our harvest hopefully, unless the combine breaks. However, for tonight, or today, that'll be it. Thanks y'all for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.